High-ranking studio.
If you have some old pale lamp holder in your home, but if you don't want to spend a lot of time to replace it with E27 lamp holder, you can try to use the adapter. This kind of adapter can convert pale lamp holder into E27 lamp holder. It is really easy to use. Let's test it now. High-ranking magic. Okay, here comes the adapter. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Looks ordinary. Let's unpack to see more clearly. This one is not really worth much. It would be great if it can be converted without pain. Now take a light bulb and try it out. High-ranking magic! Simple enough, let's install it directly. This is the pale lamp fixture. This is the ballaster. In fact, this is a coil. This one does not need to be disassembled. Of course, you can also remove it and connect it directly to the power supply. This is the fluorescent light starter. This must be removed. Remove this reflector. Put it down and it's detached. I installed the adapter again. Insert the end with 4 pins first. Then it's fixed by rotating it a little bit. Now we install the reflector. Let's look at it again from another angle. Simply put, it's just putting it in. Just install the LED bulb. Now use faster forward to show you. Lazy to go down the stairs to get the light bulb. Look, it's installed like this. Okay, light up. So cool. Installed another light and show it to you with faster forward. Do you know why it is finger glow? Just install an LED light like this. But Pirate King, we still have this kind of halogen lamp in my house. What to do? Can this kind of lamp be modified? Believe me, it won't be too difficult. First, we take out the light. I catch! Oh, how could this happen? It's okay, I'll catch again. Hey, cheer up! This is the LED cup light we are going to use today. Looks good quality and not expensive. Now grab an old lamp and compare it. My camera is out of focus again. The left one is LED cup line, which is relatively high. I didn't notice the specification when I bought it, so it's a little bit different. This is our new LED cup line. This is based on the specification of this cup line. Its design voltage is 12 volts for both AC and DC. This is an old style cup line. It uses 12 volt AC. This lamp has a power of 50 watts, so it was hard when I just removed it. This is a LED cup line. I forgot the wattage of this lamp. What should its wattage be? Do you know its wattage? The photographer told me this is 5 watts. Okay, this is 5 watts. This one is 50 watts. Switching to use this kind of lamp will greatly improve energy saving and safety, at the same time increase its working life. If your home have this kind of cup lamp, we replace it with LED lights. It will save more power and safety, and the temperature will also be lower. The difference between 50 watts and 5 watts is 10 times. That's right, it's 10 times different than before. I'll install it to test the effect. Let's take off the old one now. Just grab it by the edge and shake it slightly to put it off. However, when you are standing on the stairs, be careful not to fall. This socket has no polarity, so just plug it in. Align and plug it in, and it's done. But lighting up depends on skill. Like I know. Let's take a look at the original design of the cup lamp. This one is a 110 volt to 12 volt transformer. It can provide 50 watts of power, but it doesn't need so much. We can directly change it into electronic transformer, but we don't plan to do this today. Because today's goal is to upgrade Painless. Now this is our result today. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Painless Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.